Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Microsoft Office 365 subscription, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Office website. Sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account. In the Account dashboard, locate the Subscriptions tab. Click on the Subscriptions tab to view your active services. Find your Microsoft Office 365 subscription in the list. Click on the subscription you want to cancel. On the Subscription Details page, look for the Manage link. Click the Manage link to access additional options. You will see a section labeled Billing. In this section, find the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel. Follow the prompts provided to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for the cancellation. Select your reason and continue. Review any final details about the cancellation. Confirm your decision by clicking on Confirm Cancellation. Once you've completed the process, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure that the cancellation has been processed. Your access to Microsoft Office 365 will continue until the end of your billing cycle. After that date, you will no longer be charged for the subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.